you ever see a really confident celebrity or politician speaking, exuding tremendous confidence and poise and think, wow, I wish I could be like that person, but I can't afford a high-priced communications consultant to train me and coach me? Well, now you can, because I've got a special offer for you. It's absolutely free, and I do mean free. If you post a video of yourself speaking, in the comments below, I'm going to give you a detailed critique of exactly what you're doing right and where you need to improve. This is the same sort of feedback I give billionaires, CEOs, political leaders, presidents of countries, and prime ministers. You're going to get it if you are one of the first 10 people to post a video of yourself in the comments below. Now, you can post to a link of yourself on YouTube. You can upload a video to Google Drive, however you want to do it, as long as I can see it. Again, there's no charge, there's no trick, nothing up my sleeves. It's just a part of what this channel is all about. So it applies to the first 10 people who post a link in the next 10 days.